Hi everyone, it's me again, Javi. So, let's talk about our business. Ano bang benefits pag nagpa-member ka dito sa Leaf Good sa halagang 3,000 pesos? Meron kang sariling website, 3 website po yan. Tools, at saka maka-avail ka ng 75% off of Leaf Good products, the highest quality. Life-changing product made in USA. So maganda yung product ni Leaf Good. Wala akong masabi doon sa produkto kasi nga nakakagaling yung mga produkto nila, is the highest quality. Ito po yung kagandahan dito sa Leaf Good, yung product nila, life-changing products, at saka breakthrough online system, marketing system, at saka compensation plan.